guys! Good morning! Papunta po kami ng MOE, Mall of the Emirates, UAE, Dubai. Kasama ko si Ate Kate.
Hi.
Ilang taon ka na dito, Tay?
5 years.
5 years. Ano po yung masasabi nyo sa mga taong gustong pumunta dito sa Dubai?
Taga lang.
Tiyaga lang?
Taga at tiwala. Ganon.
Tiwala.
Maraming mga pagsubok, pero kailangan tawag dito, kailangan natin patibayin yung loob natin, lalo pag malayo na sa pamilya.
True. Saka lang, sakay muna kami ng lift. Mga buses. Tapos dito kami sumakay ng metro. Doon. Waiting shed. Waiting area para sa mga buses. Wala sila na late na po. Sigurado na siya. Aywa. Yippee. Hi, Mickey. Capsule lift. Hi, good morning. How are you today? Alhamdulillah. Oh, I am looking for Mashrak Bank.
Mashrak Bank. Mashrak Bank. No.
Okay.
So what do you want to say?
Nothing. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, how are you? Are they good?
Where are you working, Kuya?
Sorry?
Where are you working now?
I'm working in Mall of Emirates, Dubai.
So
I'm
what?
from Pakistan.
Alhamdulillah.
So nice to see you. Good to see you. Have a good day.
So what can you tell to all the people who wants to come here in Dubai?
Just make your first plan, make a big vision, and work on it. You know, nowadays economically everywhere there is a disaster. So make your goals, visions, and do work on your goals, especially. And that's it.
Okay, thank you so much for today.
You're
Masalam.
welcome.
Bye-bye.
Assalamu alaikum.
Oh God, the smell is so nice. It looks like Emirates Palace actually, in Abu Dhabi. Going down. So this one is in the ground floor. Okay, found it. So I just finished in the bank here in the MOE and they told me to go in the Burjuman in the main branch. I don't have sleep. I didn't eat yet from yesterday. So inshallah everything will be okay. So I'm going to exit now the MOE and we'll go into Burjuman. Found this escalator but I don't know if it's See. So we just go back in the square one again. Oh my god, nothing happened here. Oh, Mickey, you're so fine. So the thing is, I need to go in the metro. So kailangan ko umakyat dito para makapunta sa metro. So yun ang lalakarin. Grabe. So ito yung taas. Ito na. Papasok mo ang metro. Ito naman doon. Malayo kasi.
Your attention.
May train, umalis na. So mahaba-habang lakaran to friendship. Pero dito ako dadaan. Yung maglakad ng mahaba. Right po.
Your attention, please. The train to Center Point will arrive at the train to Expo 2020 will arrive at platform 2.
Yun. Tap na uli. Okay. Punta ng bridge
Your
man.
attention, please. The train to Expo 2020 will depart from platform 2.
Ito
Your
naman tayo.
attention, please. The train to Center Point will arrive at platform 1.
Sakto. Dito na ang metro.
Your attention, please. The train to Center Point will depart.
Exit 4. Okay, din ako sa loob. Welcome to Burjuman. Supermarket po. Sa Dubai. Dito ako galing. Dito ako lumabas. Tapos, ito, Burjuman Mall. Mahaba po yan. May pata natin. Ito, nakikita ko na ang pagkakaroon. Ito na ang siya.